Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to contact EA Sports Support. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to get assistance on EA Sports or having problems with the game itself, well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to access their help page here. So it's been updated, so it's going to be help.ea.com. Now in here, you should have the option to start getting assistance. There are some articles here that you may want to read if you want to fix certain issues here. But since we want to get some help on EA Sports, you want to go and click on Help by Game here. And we have different options here. You have EA Sports FC, EA Sports FC Mobile. So go and choose appropriate one. So for example, EA Sports FC 26. Let's go and choose that one. And you want to go and just scroll down a bit here until you see the section for Contact Us. Now go ahead and click on Contact Us. Now by default, the first thing it's going to ask you is this a game you need help with. You can go ahead and answer yes. Now from here you need to enter a message. Now the thing with this one is you will be connected with a customer support representative here, but first you are going to talk with a chatbot here, obviously. But in here you want to go and just describe your issue, just tell the chatbot what you need assistance with, and after a while you just need to answer. If you just need to wait for a while here, and they will connect you with a support representative. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.